Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I have brought for you all a Dot and Key skincare haul. It's going to be a big haul. Let's check out one by one what I've ordered and let's dive into the video. So I received all of the products in this huge Dot and Key box, and let's see what's inside this. And here we have a lot of things in this box. Let's see and check out the products one by one. So let's talk about the moisturizers first. So this is the very first product that I've ordered, and this is the Strawberry Dew Do It All Moisturizer, and this is their 4-in-1 multitasker moisturizer. I ordered this because I was seeing this moisturizer a lot on social media. So let's open the packaging and see what's inside. And here how this moisturizer looks from inside. Very cute first impressions. The bottle is very cute, I must say. This is their Strawberry Dew Do It All Moisturizer, as they have mentioned on the packaging of this product. It is their 4-in-1 multi-purpose moisturizer, and it has niacinamide and peptides in it, as they have written. So I ordered this product because I was seeing this product a lot on social media. Every now and then this moisturizer was popping up on my Instagram and YouTube, so I needed to get my hands on this one. Quantity of product that I received is 80 grams, and let's see how this moisturizer works. So the price of this sunscreen is $3.99, but as I received this product on sale, there are a bunch of products that I ordered. So in total I ordered 5 products. So I'll do a price breakdown one by one in the end of this video, so don't forget to check out that. Now let's do some first impressions of this product. I'm gonna open this right here. Let me take out some product and see how it feels. And here I've taken some of the product. Let me apply it on the back of my hand. And yes, this is a water-based moisturizer and it absorbs very quickly into the skin, and you can see how beautifully it has absorbed into my skin. A very beautiful finish. See, you can see it is completely gone. So now let's move on to the next product, and here I have with me Dot and Key Pomegranate and Peptide U3 Store Moisturizer with SPF 30. Here we get the 60 ml of product inside this, and I got this for rupees 495, and as I mentioned before, the price breakdown I'll do at the end of the video. This was one of the products that I was continuously seeing on their website. I ordered this product for my mother specifically because she wanted a moisturizer that has SPF 30 in it as well. So it does a 2-in-1 job that way. And this is why I ordered this moisturizer from their website. And you get 60 ml of product in this, and the price of this moisturizer is 495, I think. I'll put the price somewhere over here, so do see that. Let's do the first impressions for this product as well. Very beautiful packaging of this product. Very cute, very girly packaging, I'd say. And this is how it looks like. Let's open this and see. So here's how the product looks like. Actually a lot of product inside this little tub, and that is great. Let me take out some of the product on the back of my hand and let's see. Here I've taken some on the back of my hand. Let me just surge it in. This moisturizer is creamy, but at the same time this is very lightweight as well. It doesn't feel heavy, and you can see how beautifully it has absorbed into my skin. It has provided a very beautiful glow to my skin as well. Love the feel of this moisturizer. It doesn't feel too heavy on the skin, so good job Dot and Key with the moisturizers. And after a few seconds you can see this is how it looks like. Tell me, what do you think about this moisturizer? So one thing that I didn't mention, that this moisturizer is specifically meant for the mature skin types. It is meant to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin and make the skin look more plump. I'll be surely putting the review of this moisturizer as well and tell you guys whether this moisturizer really works that way or not, so stay tuned for that. And now it's finally time for the sunscreens. So in total I have got two sunscreens right here. So one of them is the Dot and Key Swim and Sports Lime Rush sunscreen, and it has SPF 50 PA+++ as they have mentioned it on the packaging, and you get 50 grams of the product, also water resistant and sweat resistant. That is why, you guys, I ordered this sunscreen because your girl is sweaty and I needed a sunscreen that is water resistant. I haven't seen many creators actually use this variant of Dot and Key sunscreen. They usually either go for the vitamin C one or they go for the watermelon sunscreen, and I've also used both of them. But I wanted to try a new variant out, so here I got my hands on this sunscreen. Let's do the first impressions of the sunscreen. The bottle looks like just like the other two variants of Dot and Key sunscreen, and this one is like lime yellow in color. I'll let you know the review of this sunscreen as well. I'm gonna upload that soon on the channel, so do check it out. I am really excited to put the review of this sunscreen specifically because yes, this is a new variant and I wanted to test it out for myself. I didn't find much videos on YouTube related to this sunscreen right here that we are talking about, and I'll surely let you know, guys. The price of this product will be listed somewhere here on the screen, so see that. Now it's time to talk about this Strawberry Dew Tinted Sunscreen by Dot and Key, and it has SPF 50 PA+++, and this is in the shade 07 Caramel. And let's do some first impressions of the sunscreen. The price of this sunscreen is $5.49. So yes, this is the packaging of this product. Let's open this sunscreen and let me show you all the shade. Is actually for my mother because as you can guess from the shade that this is not my shade. This shade is caramel shade, and let me just show you all how beautiful this tinted sunscreen is. Very sheer coverage over there. This is how the shade looks like. I was seeing a lot of creators use this tinted sunscreen and they claim that this sunscreen is really good. I wanted to try it out for myself and see whether it is that good or not. After 2-3 seconds, this is how it has absorbed into my skin. This sunscreen has a very sheer coverage, which is obvious because it is meant to be a tinted sunscreen and not a foundation, so don't expect too much coverage out of this sunscreen. But it does the job of a tinted sunscreen as it claims. If you're someone who doesn't like to wear foundation on daily basis, then you can order this sunscreen for yourself. You get 50 ml of the product, which in my opinion is a bit less for the price. It keeps your skin look like your skin but better in that way. I'll just do a mini review of this tinted sunscreen right here. So it is actually really good for the people who want my skin but better kind of a look on daily basis. So that way you can go for the sunscreen. Plus it does the job. It protects your skin from the sun rays, UVA, UVB rays. So it does 2-in-1 job. You get some amount of coverage, plus you get the protection from the sun as well. Plus this sunscreen is available in 4 shades. Order this sunscreen according to your skin shade. You can see that glow. Let's move on to the final product, and here I have with me a freebie, and this is the Watermelon Cooling Gel Face Wash by Dot and Key as a freebie. So yes, and I've received 15 ml of this product right here. I have used the watermelon cooling sunscreen of Dot and Key, but I haven't used the face wash. I'll definitely share the review of this face wash as well with you all, whether you should be buying like a bigger size of this face wash, and I am expecting good things out of this face wash. So let's see what happens. And now it's time to finally do the price breakdown of the products that I received. You can see the prices mentioned on the screen, and after the discount because of the sale, this is the total of all the products, and I got all of them under rupees 1000. So good thing. And with that, this is all for this video. Do let me know what do you think of the products, and do let me know your favorite product from this haul of Dot and Key. I hope that you all like this video as much as I absolutely loved shooting this video for you all. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way, and if you found this video helpful in any way, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. पानी पी लूं थोड़ा सा, गर्मी इतनी हो गई है guys. The things you have to do for your work. Fans are off, गर्मी fully on, and water, my savior. Don't forget to drink water guys. Your reminder, drink water. Bye.